Hello students, this is Semfano with Asia Academy, where we teach people in demand tech skills. Thank you for tuning into our channel, and we request that you subscribe, share and like and comment on our videos in order for us to keep on producing similar content. Thank you. There is yet another function, which is a text function that can be used to extract substrings from a given word or text string. So this function works almost the same as the left and the right functions, but it is more versatile and flexible as compared to those two functions, because as the left function only extracts a string from the left, that is from the first character of the string, and the right function extracts a string from the last character of the string. The mid function, whereas it can extract from whichever part of the string, even from the middle of the string you can extract a character. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use the mid function. You click where you want your answer to be, which is here. I've highlighted the cell yellow. Then I'm going to go and launch my functions, look for the mid, then click on OK. Right, we have got three arguments that we have to supply for this function. For example, the text, which is the text that we want to extract from. See, they say extract the word ace from Facebook. That's what we want to extract. We know that A is we're starting at 2, and then B, and then we need to specify the number of characters that we have in our string. We have 3 characters in our substring. As you can see, it's going to extract ace from Facebook. This is how the mid function works. So it is more flexible as compared to the left and the right functions. So you can use it if you want to extract from the middle of any string. You can extract any substrings or characters from a given string. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you learned something. See you in the next video.